Okay, I hope I got a good timing. Alright. Hello, Thomas. Yeah, it's a good thing his eyes move. Yeah. Wasn't a call, I was in town with yesterday, played Daytona. There it is. And they were filming it on the track mode. Wouldn't it be cool if I had something like this one day to my collection? And I'd be so happy somebody on eBay sold a U-Drive Thomas and Tank Engine Kiddie Ride for $500. And wow, I'd be happy. There it is. So that's coin mix jammed in there. Okay, you can see it's a micro coin jam. This is not my Kiddie Ride, but I want to film it on the track mode first, so it's going to be a longer video.
This Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie Ride was actually made by Trevor Spitz. He actually made a lot of them. He actually made a lot of them. He made it.
You can see it made by a washing machine, and I just want to wait for these lights to flash. Yeah, it's taking a while. How come? Okay, it's doing it. Gotta keep hitting that button. Alright, well. Here goes Thomas.
Hello, welcome aboard. Today's a very special day. Today, you drive Thomas. I'll help you. It's simple. Let's go now. Pull the whistle lever and the whistle repeat. The speed control lever is for slow or fast. The green control wheel is for really, really fast. And the red control wheel makes us stop. Where can we go? Let's go to the beach. Ooh, that will be fun. Hit the whistle.
Wow.
Hit the whistle again. Say goodbye.
Whistle doesn't work.
Now that we're out of the station, we can go just a little bit faster. Move the speed control into the back. Isn't it exciting? Thomas is really enjoying it. Let's see how it's going. Oh gosh, the green light is flashing. We're going so fast, we're running out of steam in the boiler. We need more steam.
I want to listen to the audio message as well, so that's $9. It's $9.
There's the beach. I can see it now. Heed the whistle. Here we come. Oh, the eyes are it's time to slow down. Move the speed control lever to slow. Not too fast and not too slow.
Amazing.
We're almost at the beach. And now we're coming into the station. Oh look, the red light is flashing. Turn the red control wheel. That's it. Now we're stopped. Well done! What an exciting trip! Gosh, I'm looking forward to our next adventure together. Thomas said, thank you! You were a very, very good driver.
Oh, there we go. Thomas Kiddie Ride. Shane's still inside Kmart.
Anyway, bye Thomas. I'm landing.
There it is.